Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what many consider the best Aelia Muscle Rub on the market. If you're looking for fast-acting relief from sore joints and muscles, this intensive muscle balm with hemp, menthol, arnica, and camphor might just be the solution you need. This product is designed for targeted relief across multiple areas like your back, shoulders, neck, knees, and feet. What sets it apart from other muscle rubs is its patented polarization technology. This advanced extraction process significantly boosts the potency, absorption, and bioavailability of the active ingredients by over 5 times, making the balm more effective and quicker at delivering relief. The formula itself is a unique blend of natural botanicals and aromatherapy oils. Alongside hemp and arnica, it includes peppermint, lavender, clove, and ginger oils. This combination not only soothes sore muscles but also provides a calming and refreshing scent, enhancing the overall experience of using the balm. Another great feature of this muscle rub is its texture. Unlike many heavy or greasy creams, this balm is lightweight and non-greasy. It glides on smoothly and dries quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft without any slippery residue. This makes it perfect for anyone who wants relief without the mess. Whether you're an athlete recovering after a workout or someone dealing with everyday muscle or joint discomfort, this balm fits well into your routine. It's formulated for adults and is great for long-lasting relief that helps you stay active and comfortable throughout the day. Aelia takes pride in delivering professional-grade wellness products, and this muscle rub is no exception. Their proprietary polarization technology boosts absorption and efficacy by up to 560%. Ensuring that you get maximum benefit from each application. The packaging is compact and convenient, making it easy to carry around for on-the-go relief whenever soreness strikes. Although the product has a higher potency, it is designed to be gentle enough for regular use without sticky or oily aftereffects. This muscle balm is a perfect blend of nature and science, offering advanced relief with plant-based ingredients. It's ideal for anyone looking for a powerful, natural, and fast-acting muscle rub that absorbs quickly and lasts long. So, if you want a reliable muscle and joint rub that's lightweight, non-greasy, and powered by cutting-edge technology, the Aelia Sore Joint and Muscle Rub might be exactly what you need. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights. Thanks for watching.